making a roasted pecan tart, so let's begin. So to begin, we're going to roast the pecans. So I've got 100 grams of pecans. I'm going to put them on a baking tray. We're going to roast these for about 10 minutes on a gas mark 6. Okay, so these are now nicely roasted and out of the oven. So we're going to pop these on the side while we make the caramel sauce. So I'm going to add 120 grams of butter. I'm just going to allow this to melt. So now I'm going to add 180 grams of light brown sugar. A pinch of salt. And the 80 ml of honey. Going to add a few drops of vanilla extract. Going to mix this. So we're going to keep this on a medium heat. Just going to allow this to melt and mix in. You can see this now caramelizing. Just carry on mixing. I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to now add a tablespoon of double cream. So I'm just going to mix in the double cream. Now you can see it's turned into a light brown caramel. So our caramel is now done. So I'm using some ready-made sweet pastry cases. So I'm going to now spoon in the caramel sauce. So now we're just going to pop these on the side. So I'm going to put my roasted pecans in a bowl. And I'm going to add the caramel sauce. I'm going to set aside some to drizzle for afters. So I'm just going to mix this in. So that looks nicely mixed in. So I'm going to spoon in the pecans. So with the remaining sauce, I'm just going to cover the pecans a bit more. And it doesn't matter if the sauce overflows, it's absolutely fine. So you can serve these hot or cold, you can pop them in the fridge, but we're going to actually serve these hot. This is a really simple dessert for the winter. I hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.